Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. Lovely to see you. Glad to have you back or here for the first time. You tell me. I don't know so much. I'm just a girl with the pigtails on, feeling super cute and sassy. I am excited because I have another Temu haul. Temu. I love Temu. Temu's good to me. And I've got some promotions down below. If you've never tried Temu, there's some really great discounts I have for you. And you'll have to just check it out because it's super cool. So we're just going to open up this bag. And I can't wait to see what is in here because I don't remember everything I ordered. And that's just the way with Temu. You get Temu amnesia. You order a bunch of stuff and you don't remember what it was. But it's all cool because it's all wrapped in plastic. It's fantastic. Like a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Are you guys going to see that Barbie movie? I low-key want to see it, but I'll probably wait till it's just out streaming. I don't see going to the movie theater to see that. Oh my goodness. I'll just cut the top off. There we go. And some of this stuff is really exciting for me because, a friend of mine, we've been playing beauty shop with our hair. And even though it looks a little weird, the colors here, wait till you see what we're going to do because we've been doing each other's hair and it's very exciting. Except for the bleach. I had someone else do the bleach. But anyway, so to play hair salon, I ordered a couple of capes. I'm just going to take one of them out of the package so you can see what it looks like. And this is to protect our clothing while we're playing with the hair color. And it's got a nice feel to it, and it's just a big old cape. It's got old-fashioned blow dryers and combs and scissors. It's very cool. So we've got two of those. Behave. It's not going to behave. I just know what I'm going to put on the floor. Because it's no big deal. Then I have a cat toy. Those capes are about $4 each. Jessie, you want a cat toy? And this is a really cool little ball with a feather on it. And cats love feathers. So this is less than $1. Maybe the cat will play with it. Maybe they won't. Also, because we're doing... Oh, I got this for the cats. This is great. Rome has always wanted us to have an angled food dish for the kitties. And now we have one. Get the plastic off. And it's got little ears on it. And it's an angled cat food dish. So they can eat their food at a better angle. So it'll go down their throats better. So that's cool. Because those are really expensive on Amazon. That was like $5 or $6. Then I have a pair of giant hoop earrings. Just some gold hoops. What the hell? Some gold hoops. And then... This is pretty hilarious. This is for the cats as well. And when I tell you what it is, you're going to be like, Rhonda, you're insane. You might say that anyway. But Ruby, our orange kitty, gets eye boogers really bad. And this is a little device to comb the eye boogers off the kitty. And it looks like that. And it was like $1.50 or something. And then I've got some scarab earrings, like old Egyptian style. These I'm going to have to take out so you can really appreciate them. These are super cool, and they have snakes. Look how cool that is. A little snaky snake earring. Snaky snakes. I can't wear them, but a friend of mine's gonna love them. Going to absolutely love them. I've got another cat toy. The same as the other one. I was hoping it'd be in a different color, but it's not. All the cats have gathered here because they know there's something happening. Little do they know they're going to be eating in a new way. Cat toy. They love a cat toy. Woo! There's another one, kitties. And then last but not least, this is an apron to wear while doing hair color. Because, you know, we don't want to mess our clothes up while we're playing beauty shop. Oh, I was hoping that this was going to be more of a slick. It's a very polyester fabric, but it's a very cute apron. And it's got kitty cats. Ooh, it smells weird. It smells real funky. But it's a kitty cat apron to wear while we're doing hair. So that's my haul. It's a smaller haul than usual, but it's a Temu haul nonetheless, and I love sharing stuff with you. And this cat food dish is really going to be a game changer for our kitties. All right. I love you guys so much. Have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.